Yeah, if your pair looking like this, it's looking cooked. It's looking worn down. It's looking aged, you know what I'm saying? You need a fresh pair of Black Metallic Air Jordan 5s like these guys right here. The Reimagined are coming back next year, February 2025. And I'm hearing this might be the first shock drop of the year. So we gotta talk about these rumors, see if it's true, see what I done heard. We gotta chop it up, man. Let's get into today's video. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video. It's always greatly appreciate when you guys pull up, come see what your boy The Avengers is talking about. And said sneaker, the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics. And what I'm hearing, bro, what I'm hearing in the discourse, what I'm hearing on Twitter, what I'm hearing throughout the sneaker community, this could potentially be the first sneaker to shock drop at the top of the year, man. So if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and leave a huge like, man. Y'all run the likes up because if you don't know, bro, in February, it's stacked. We got Bread High 85s. We have Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics. We got the Galaxy Foam Posits. And we also have these guys scheduled to release all in the month of February, man. All in the month of February. And I'm going to tell you guys how I feel about it, what I see Nike doing. And yeah, man, we got to chop it up, you guys. All right, so you already know, man, when it comes to Nike, when it comes to the Jordan brand, they need to build the anticipation up. They need to, you know what I'm saying, bring some buzz around certain sneakers. We've seen it with past, you know, Air Jordan 3 Black Cement, with the Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined that we got earlier this year, and a plethora of sneakers. They do shock drops on to kind of give a little bit more light onto that specific sneaker. And for this upcoming 2025 in February, more specifically, we have a bunch of heaters. Like I said earlier, man, high 85s, Black Toe Reimagined, and these Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic is looking really ugly for them pockets. And I know a lot of people saying, you know, why wouldn't they shock drop the Black Toes? Why would they shock drop the Black Metallics? Why wouldn't they do the high 85s? And I have a bunch of things to say about that. Nike can literally shock drop any sneaker they want. You know what I'm saying? Any sneaker they want. But it's just crazy how they push the release date back for these Black Toe Air Jordan 1s to 2025. They were originally supposed to release in November. And, you know, of course, we are getting these. This hasn't got pushed back yet. It has not got pushed back yet. And the date was confirmed for February the 14th with, again, like I said, the Bread High 85s, the Black Toe Reimagined. And it's just a lot coming out. But if I was Nike and I'm looking at some of the sneakers that we do have lined up, they push these back to 2025. I could definitely see them pushing back the Air Jordan 1 high 85s. They even pushed the retail tag to $250. So I'm already knowing we're gonna see some exclusive access for that sneaker. We're gonna see some shock drops for that sneaker. And just the same treatment for these Black Metallic guys. The Reimagined, I feel like every single one we have gotten, if I'm not mistaken, we have gotten a shock drop. We have gotten exclusive access. And they are not gonna fall short of giving us a shock drop on these guys. I'm loving them, bro. I'm telling you, the pair is super crispy. The new hits with the 3M in it, the nice translucent hang tag, the 3M on the Nike Air is just phenomenal in my opinion. I love the Reimagined spinoff for these guys right here, if I'm being quite honest with y'all. And with us getting the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats in January, they have not shock dropped them yet, so I don't see a shock drop on those. I don't think that's gonna be the highlight of 2025. I think going into it, Nike's looking at these, they're looking at the Bread High 85s, and they're gonna give this one some love. So you guys probably wonder, like, when should or when could we see a shock drop for these right here? And I feel like it happened the first or second week of January, or probably right after the Black Cat 3 release. They can shock drop these guys right here. Because you don't know, man, around that February time frame, you got All-Star Weekend, and again, we have a bunch of releases. Galaxies, Black Toes, high 85 Breads, which have not got pushed back yet, but I'm pretty sure, or I could see, I think we all can see a pushback for one of those sneakers. I just don't see them pushing back these right here. Given the fact that they pushed back the Black Toes to February, I think the Air Jordan 1 high 85s got a little bit more wiggle room of pushing it to the right. That's just my take. So these have to be one of the first ones to shock drop. Like I've been hearing all over Instagram, all in my Discord, this could be the one, bro. This could be the one in that January time frame, or even like February the 1st. You know, we usually see shock drops between 2 weeks to a month before the drop, but with a huge release like this, the Reimagined 5s, to pop off the year, I can see them doing it, you know, even 3 weeks before the release date. But of course, the shock drop is definitely coming. And I'm gonna give you guys all the details, all the 411 on these guys coming into 2025, because I already know it's gonna be stacked. It's just so stacked with releases. It's crazy. We're gonna be spending so much money, and I'm already know it's gonna be a lot of OGs that's going double back. Like I said, let me go ahead and grab these. I'm gonna show you why these are gonna be a problem, because look at the 2016s. They yellowing, they creased up. People need a fresh, crispy pair. And this is gonna be probably the first 5 in a while to fly off the shelves. Of course, it's the metallics. It's one of them ones. It's, you know, one of them OGs that everybody holds sacred. And that's why a lot of people are mad that it didn't have the stitched Nike Air. This is a 3M Nike Air on the back. And just little details like that, switching from the OG, I don't mind it at all. Trust me, I don't mind it at all. Of course, there's some older heads like, yo, why'd they do that? Me, I am all here for it, man. And back to these black toes, like I said, they are scheduled to drop in February as well. I don't see Nike pushing these back twice. I can see them, you know what I'm saying, giving this its own date, keeping it in February, and pushing back the bread high 85s. Because, and the retail is just so high on this, it's so crazy. Like, see them pushing it back just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Like, people get the income tax money, and they can, you know, focus on that 250 price tag. It's so steep, bro. Why is it 250 for a pair of Air Jordan 1s? I've never seen that before. Never seen it. Not even for a Travis Scott. Like, I don't know what's going on with them breads, but of course some things coming to the collection, and hopefully, I'm saying this now, hopefully they're not going for a lot of money. Hopefully they you know what I'm saying, up the stock and the resale drop a lot, because who wants to pay $250 for a pair of Air Jordan 1s? I know I don't, but I've always wanted the high 85 breads in the collection, so it's gonna be one of them things, you know what I'm saying? Spend the $250 and cry about it later, or just kind of play the market and see where the price goes with them things. So yeah, guys, like I said, Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic, guys, going to be the first one to shock drop. I'm gonna put that out there right now. I don't see them, like I said, I see them pushing back the breads and then giving these all the shine. They crazy, they crispy. I'm loving them. And as we do get closer to this shock drop that I've been hearing rumors about, of course I'm gonna give you guys some details. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel, man. I appreciate all the support. Again, thank you guys so much for tapping in. Make sure y'all run the likes up and let me know in the comment section which shoe you think they're gonna shock drop. I'm here, that's gonna be the Black Metallics. I could be wrong, Nike can do whatever they want, but I'm pretty sure, I'm pretty solid and certain that we're gonna get these Black Metallics to be the first to shock drop. Hey, we shall see. You know, I've been wrong before, but I've been right more times than I've been wrong. So y'all gotta give me a little bit of credit for that. Again, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much. If you're new, sub up. Let us know down below in the comment section so we can welcome you to the family. And with all that's been said, man, your boy The Vintage gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.